Good morning everyone. Welcome here to my kitchen. Welcome here to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, likes, and share. This is free. And today I will show you how I make my chicken salpicao. Salpicao, okay? This is my own version. So I have the chicken. I have the chicken here. This is already, I marinate with this one. I marinate this with a little bit of soy. I use this Knorr. And I also put some lemon garlic, and also some pepper.
Where's the scissors?
I don't know, anak.
Mom said it.
So
It was in the kitchen.
I don't know where's that. So I will use the onion. Can you see the onion? And I have some garlic here. I have some, this is a big pepper, big chili pepper, but this is not hot. So here I have some onion. So I will remove the onion so it will not be overcooked. So susutik ko muna. Tinanggal ko ang aking onion. Aking susutik ang garlic at yung pepper.
Hey, did you hear what I said?
My chicken salpicao. Okay, see to it the chicken is fully cooked because it's not good if it is half cooked. Guys, my chicken salpicao. Look. Wow, it's so yummy. Very yummy yung aking chicken salpicao. Cooking is an art. Wala na akong boses. Wala na akong boses sa kakapray. But anyway, I need to pray. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this wonderful day. Thank you for this opportunity, Father God. Bless me, Lord, Father God. Thank you, Lord, for your blessing. Thank you for this food. Bless this food to the nourishment to our body. We thank you, Lord Jesus, for everything. We thank you, Lord, for all things work together for good for those who love you and do according to your purpose. Lord God, clean this food. If there's anything that's not belong to our body, cleanse this food in Jesus' name. Thank you for your provision, and thank you for all your blessing, Lord Father God. In Jesus' name, amen. So, ilalagay natin, guys, ang garlic. I already sauteed the garlic, and then this is the garlic, and this is the chili, the green chili. So, we need to put this. So, this is it. Ready to serve. My chicken salpicao. Very easy lang po. Hindi ko alam, salpicao pa lang tawag dito. Favorite na favorite ko itong gawin. Favorite na favorite ito ng family ko. Well, healthy. Ang chicken are healthy than pork. So anyway, napakasarap ng aking chicken salpicao. Ang chicken salpicao na masarap. Look at that. My chicken salpicao. Garnish with onion. Crunchy onion. This is yummy. Guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, likes, and share. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Bye for now. Until next time sa aking mga vlog.